Namaste, dear children. Welcome to class 4 Social Studies. I firstly appreciate you all. You are performed well in periodic test 1. Congratulations. Keep up, keep up the spirit. And in the previous class, I have explained the importance or the use of Himalayas, how Himalayas help us. In this today's class, I will go to the further explanation or the next topic, life in the northern mountains. How, which are the states? Jammu and Kashmir state, Himachal Pradesh and Uttarakhand. These three states, how people are living, what is the life, how they lead their life in these three states, I will explain in this today's class. Life in the northern mountains. Jammu and Kashmir. Jammu and Kashmir is the crown of India. It lies in the lap of the Himalayas. Lap means tode. Laptop, which can be, laptop is a instrument or thing we can kept on our lap, that is laptop. Laptop like that, lap. Jammu and Kashmir lies in the lap of the Himalayas. The Kashmir Valley is one of the most beautiful places in the world. It is called the paradise on earth. Kashmir Valley is called paradise on earth. Paradise means Swarga. Paradise on earth is Kashmir Valley. So much important it is. Throughout the world it is famous. That is why Jammu and Kashmir state is very important for us. Okay. Next point. The capital of Jammu and Kashmir is Srinagar during the summer and Jammu in winter. Jammu and Kashmir capital is, two capitals are there. During summer, Srinagar is the capital, and during winter, Jammu is the capital. I will show you one map, India map. See here, in this map, in Jammu and Kashmir, Srinagar and Jammu, Srinagar and Jammu, they are given separate. See the distance between Srinagar and Jammu. Two states, two capitals for one state during summer and during winter. Jammu and Kashmir has two states, during summer Srinagar, during winter Jammu. Srinagar has the famous Dal Lake. This lake is beauty of Kashmir. One can find a large number of houseboats and shikaras in this lake. See, Srinagar has the famous Dal Lake. In this Dal Lake, one can find a large number of houseboats and shikaras. In this lake, houseboats are used for lodging, while shikaras are used for selling flowers and vegetables. What are these houseboats and shikaras? I will show you some images. Houseboats and shikaras. See, these are shikaras where vegetables are selling. See, one boat, one man, in another boat, one man, one boy is moving ahead. See, in those boats, vegetables are kept here. See, these are called houseboats. How many houseboats are here in Dal Lake? This is the lake. How big it is, and how many houseboats are here in this image? This is one shikaras, flowers selling. Flowers are selling in the boats. Those are called shikaras, houseboats. Shikaras. The main occupation of the people in Jammu and Kashmir is agriculture. Terraced fields are used for producing rice, maize, and rajma. See, main occupation of people is agriculture, krushi. Terraced fields, I have shown the terrace farming in the previous classes. Now, terraced fields are used for producing rice, maize, and rajma. Rice we know, maize we know, rajma we need to know rajma. This is called rajma. See, food grain. It is one kind of food grain. Rajma. Produces. This rajma is produced by Jammu and Kashmir. Famous products, food products. People in some areas grow saffron. People in some areas grow saffron. It is added to food to give special flavor. I will show you the image of saffron. See, this is saffron. In some sweets, for a decorative part, we use this saffron. It is very costly item which gives flavor and very attractive look it has. Saffron. We can't grow saffron in our fields. It is the unique product of that part, Himalayan mountains part. There they produce this saffron. Some people practice animal rearing and grazing. Animal rearing, ಪ್ರಾಣಿ ಸಾಕಣೆ and grazing, ಮೇಯಿಸುವುದು. People in the Kashmir valley stay at home during winter as it is very cold. Kashmir valley people stay at home during winter. Chaligala, very cold. Now we are staying in home because of this coronavirus. Like that, in winter season, Kashmir valley people stay in home because of cold. They make beautiful articles from wood, brass, and silver, etc. Articles of wood. Articles from wood. What are these articles from wood? I will show one more image. This is an article from wood. See how beautiful it is. Article from wood. This is. They make, who people in Kashmir valley make these kind of articles. This is from wood, I shown picture. From brass and from silver metals, these are those, using those metals also they will make articles. The carpets and pashmina shawls of Kashmir are world famous. Those people make carpets in these Jammu and Kashmir are in Kashmir valley people which produces carpets and pashmina shawl are world famous shawls they produce. Winters are cold in Srinagar. Winter season is very cold. The popular dress for both men and women in winter is a loose gown called firan. They also keep kangri with burning coal under the firan so as to keep themselves warm. Firan and kangri. What are these? I will show you one more image. See, this is kangri with coal in it, burning coal in it. This is the instrument. This is the dress named firan, long dress worn in Jammu and Kashmir during winter in order to protect themselves from cold. They also keep kangri. Now I showed kangri image and firan image. The people speak Kashmiri, Ladakhi, Dogri and Urdu. These are the languages in Kashmir state, Jammu and Kashmir state. Kahwa, a special kind of tea, is the special drink of the Kashmiris. Kahwa is a name of a tea, special kind of tea. Kashmiri people drink special drink it is, that is named kahwa, special kind of tea. This is the image of a Kashmiri girl in regional dress. Come to the next point. Srinagar, Gulmarg, Pahalgam and Amarnath cave are the famous places of Jammu and Kashmir. These are the famous places. Srinagar, Gulmarg, Pahalgam and Amarnath cave. Thousands of people visit Vaishno Devi temple near Jammu. Vaishno Devi temple. It is famous. Many people visit Vaishno Devi temple. In the northeastern part of Jammu and Kashmir is Ladakh. Ladakh is in Jammu and Kashmir. That too, northeastern part of Jammu and Kashmir is Ladakh. The main festivals of Jammu and Kashmir are Eid and Shivratri. Festivals, Jammu and Kashmir. Festivals, which festivals they famous in Jammu and Kashmir means Eid and Shivratri. Star fact: Kashmir is also called the orchard of India because of its varieties of fruits like apples, cherry, apricot, plum, pear, walnut and almonds. That is why Kashmir is called as orchard of India. Orchard means the place or field where fruits are grown. That is called orchard. Where fruits are grown, that field. This is all about Jammu and Kashmir. Next, come to the next state, Himachal Pradesh. It is better to show you the India map. See this India map at the top like a crown, Jammu and Kashmir state. Below that Jammu and Kashmir state, Himachal Pradesh. The capital is Shimla, is marked there in red mark. Jammu and Kashmir, Srinagar and Jammu both are in red mark and Shimla is in red mark. Himachal Pradesh. Below the Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand. That Uttarakhand state capital is Dehradun. These three states we are going to discuss in today's class. Himachal Pradesh. Himachal Pradesh is also a mountainous state like Jammu and Kashmir. The capital of Himachal Pradesh is Shimla. 90% of the people live in villages. Their main occupation is farming, Krushi. Many people rear sheep and goats. Sheep and goats are two breeds of the same animal. Two breeds looks alike, sheep and goats. The main crops are rice, barley, and maize. Plums and apples are grown in large quantities and supplied to other parts of the country. Plums and apples. I have shown these two images in the previous class. Pahari and Hindi are the main languages. In this Himachal Pradesh state, Pahari and Hindi are main languages. Dasara is the most popular festival in Himachal Pradesh. Famous hill stations like Kulu, Manali and Shimla are in Himachal Pradesh. Hill stations Kulu, Manali and Shimla. Many people visits these three places, Kulu, Manali and Shimla. Dance and music are quite popular with the people. Those people in Himachal Pradesh, they like dance and music. They perform dance and music. Women wear pyjamas with long top. They wear scarves called dhaju. The men wear tight pyjamas with loose shirt. These are the special varieties of dress. See, women wear pyjamas with long top. They wear scarves called dhaju. The men wear tight pyjamas with loose shirt. Star fact: the soil and climate of Himachal Pradesh are well suited to apple cultivation. Royal Delicious, Golden Delicious and Rich Red are some of the well-known varieties grown here. Himachal Pradesh well known for growing apple cultivation. One more star fact: Himachal Pradesh has the highest cricket ground in the world at Chel. Because Himachal Pradesh is itself is in mountainous state, it is very height. It is in very height compared to the sea level, and in that cricket ground is there at Chel. That cricket ground is world's highest cricket ground. This is all about Himachal Pradesh. Third state, Uttarakhand. It is a newly formed state. The Ganga and Yamuna originate in Uttarakhand. I have said in the previous class, Ganga originate from Gangotri Glacier, Yamuna originates from Yamunotri Glacier. Those two glaciers are in Uttarakhand state. Uttarakhand's capital is Dehradun. Agriculture is the main occupation of the people. Many people also join army. Dehradun is also known for the Indian Military Academy. What is Dehradun famous for? It is famous for Indian Military Academy. Dehradun is the capital of Uttarakhand. What is Indian Military Academy? The Indian Military Academy is an officer training academy of the Indian Army in Dehradun, Uttarakhand. Officers are going to train in this academy, and they will, after that training, they will become lieutenants in Indian Army. And come to the page number 14. The popular hill stations like Mussoorie and Nainital lie in this state, Uttarakhand state. Popular hill stations like Mussoorie and Nainital lie in this state. Other famous places are Haridwar, Almora, Badrinath and Kedarnath. These are the famous places: Haridwar, Almora, Badrinath, Kedarnath. Very famous because of the gods. Many of the people in India, they visit these three Punya Kshetras: Haridwar, Badrinath, Kedarnath. They are called Tirtha Kshetra. These are there in Uttarakhand state. Last point, Hindi and Garhwali are the main languages. In Uttarakhand state, Hindi and Garhwali are the main languages spoken in Uttarakhand state. Next state is Sikkim. I will explain Sikkim in the next class. Children, take care of yourself. I hope you understand. If you don't understand, watch this video again and read the textbook. You will come to know. Children, take care of yourself. Stay home, stay safe. Be happy. धन्यवाद.